I think teaching is actually got to be the most rewarding job in the whole world. Even as an administrator now, my happiest years was when I was a teacher.
There's too much of the same going on in most classes.
There's so much more that you can do with education. The more senses that we can use, the more deep learning opportunities we can create.
I want these children to be where someone is shocked in a good way that they came from Inglewood. So just giving them those resources and making sure that they're productive.
The college football playoff does such a great job with elevating the profession in so many different ways, engaging college students who may be interested.
I am blown away by the vision, mission, and goals of the College Football Playoff Foundation. When we were introduced to them and they described what they offer school districts, it was literally as if someone had answered our prayers.
Events like this through the CFP Foundation help teachers and principals and school districts just through simple acknowledgement.
That's Laura Williams getting some money here, teacher in the Knoxville area.
The Champions Educate Here program is awarding teachers $5,000 to $20,000.
Getting to impact someone's life and maybe altering their life for the better in their future, there's not a better feeling in the world than that.
Well, she pushes you to do your best. She helped me make friends and helped me be very confident.
A successful program would be that the kids continue to see their culture represented and feel proud of who they are. I think this award and the money that comes with it is going to provide a lot for these kids.
When she stepped into my life, she really changed it. She made me fall in love with school.
When I'm not playing or walking to practice,
I'm becoming a teacher.